been a couple of months since we last made a video here on our factory. As you can see, the works have progressed a lot, and you can now see the two main doors from which we're going to take the Anthénea out and send them for shipping to our customers' location. And it's pretty easy actually to do that, because you can see right behind me, we just have to cross the road and the dock is right here. This is where the barges will come and load the Anthénea on deck. We are in the city center of Lannion in Brittany. It's on a river, but the sea, the ocean, is just 2 to 3 miles away from here, so it's pretty convenient. So this is where we are, and in July we get the key of the factory, so we're going to be able to show you the inside.